ఎవరితో మాట్లాడుతున్నావు నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు? ఎవరు నేను? గీతత్తనా? సరే, అయితే నువ్వేం చేస్తావు ఇప్పుడు? నిమ్మకాయ తింటావా? ఎలా తింటావు? అమ్మో, నీకు పుల్లగా అనిపించదా?
It's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never